Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second time I'm recording the same video. The last time around, my audio was really bad. So if my excitement is a little too much or little too low, you know exactly why. But this time around, before starting the video, I want to make one thing very clear. I have a confession to make. I did not like Alicia Souza's planners for the past 3 years. Since 2019, I'm giving a miss to their planners. Sometimes I thought they were not my taste. Sometimes I thought they were not mature enough. Sometimes I thought it was too busy. But more or less, I have never bought an Alicia Souza planner. But I've always tracked them. Basic reason being they're the biggest planner company in India. Now that we have that out of the way, let's start today's video keeping that in mind. And please do watch till the end to know what do I feel about the Alicia Souza's 2022 planners. This video is a part of my Shop With Me series where I take you along my planner buying journey. For 2021, I did a massive rundown on all the planners available in Indian markets starting from rupees 400. I did a rundown of 25 planners and that list is still more or less valid this year too. So go check it out if you want more options. In the Shop With Me series, I will show you the planners that I have shortlisted for myself and my thought process on why I will buy or not buy those planners that we are discussing. So, without further ado, let's start with the Alicia Souza's 2022 planner launch. The planner was launched on 9th of November with an early access. They had started the preview process from 8th of November and the early access started from 6 pm 9th of November. And the launch dates, so the launch prices will be valid till 14th of November this year. The offers for launch day would be special prices. Obviously, there are some discounts. Freebies worth your order, which is great. The trio orders will get a big box of freebies, and that box is really big. I'd seen on Alicia's IGTV, that box looked really massive. You get a special 10% discount for future orders, which is valid for only 90 days. Now, even I thought it is not great. Only for 3 months, you've just bought your planner. What else will you buy from Alicia's website? But I heard her on Instagram that there are many exclusive products in newer categories that will be launched. So now that is how you will be able to use this 10% off discount. So now, since that is out of the way, let's get into the actual planner. Let's start with the biggest product that they have, which is the Ultimate Trio. This has a box, a very pretty looking box, a wall calendar, a desk calendar, a sticker book, a pocket planner, and of course the actual planner book. This is priced at 3,600 in the launch period. I know my thought too, ouch, this is expensive. But wait till you look inside. With this trio box, you will also get a big box of freebies. Now, what is inside of this freebies box is not revealed. But the size is massive, as I said. And there are a few sneak peeks on Alicia's Instagram. I have guessed a few items, but I'll discuss that later in this video. Let's see further in this trio. The first thing we have is a cozy wall calendar. The theme of this calendar is homey and it reflects in her artwork here. This can be used as a desk pad as well as a calendar. So if you just fold this down, this will in turn be a desk pad. It also comes with this rope hanging, which can be removed when it is used as a desk pad. The artwork is actually so pretty. And of course, there are stickers. Even the stickers have a nice homey theme to them, which is very interesting. Also, one thing that I loved about this calendar is when you use it as a desk pad and you fold it completely, the calendar becomes fairly minimum. When it is hung, it becomes quirky. Such a flip of energy. So now let's get into details. The size is 42 by 30 centimeters, which is really great. The paper quality is 270 GSM, fairly decent. Acid-free paper, great. Gold Viro bounding. Oh, I didn't figure there were textured accents. Let's see where. This will be interesting. Alicia mentioned that there will be a lot of touchy feelies, so that is what I'm excited for. Now let's move on to the desk calendar. The desk calendar's theme is Enduring India. Again, very India-based calendars. I'm extremely happy with the new launches because they are keeping India as the focus and not copying the West, which is extremely commendable. One of the best part about this is this desk calendar is that it comes with a magnetic closure box. I always repurpose my planner boxes for various things. Somewhere I keep jewelry, stickers, a lot of other things. So I really like keeping these boxes for keepsake. This also has 12 envelopes and 12 papers to write letters. I often write to people on special days like birthdays, so this will come in really handy. And I extremely appreciate the small gesture that they've made. Let's see what else do they have. Again, artwork, if you can see, it's very India oriented. You have a cow, you have an elephant. Again, those are cliches, but I really appreciate the artwork. Oh, that is so cute. Mobile chai coffee guy. Oh, wow. This is actually nice. Standard wedding card deco. Curry tasted in the palm of the hand. Oh, so sweet. Two-seater accommodating 4 people. Oh, then there are stickers. Some functional stickers as well. More functional stickers. Then you have postcards. Oh, these postcards are so cute. Pranayam uncle in the park. This is so relatable. Laminated duplicate ITs. I have them. This is really an attack. What else do we have? This is just the backside of the postcard. Gossipy, giggly aunties and their morning walks. I think, yeah, that's it. This is, I think, everything about the planner, about the desk calendar. Let's see if there are any details that we've missed out. Okay, this also doubles up at a desk pad, but yeah, desk calendar, desk pad, I think should be the same. Oh, this has 10 sticker sheets. Wow, that is something. The postcards were 12, by the way. And for the sticker sheets, there were 7 opaque and 3 transparent sticker sheets, which is really great. Now let's move on to the planner and see what's there in it. It has a fabric cover for the touchy-feelies. This is what Alicia said, which I'm very excited for or intrigued for because I've never seen a cloth cover. So let's see how it feels like. Of course, there is an elastic closure, a pen loop, a printed bookmark. Again, this is very unique. I've never seen it before. Gold Viro binding. But can we just give a 2-minute pause on how pretty the 2022 artwork is and appreciate how beautiful it is. And this little heart is so cute. The back is also similar print. The box has a different artwork. Let's get into a few spreads. This is the wellness tracker, which tracks your mood, sleep, and exercise. The monthly layout is neat and clutter-free. I think you can write a lot in this. And if you're like me, you will add more and more stickers here. Then there is a meal plan, 5 habit trackers, a period tracker. Nice. Again, the weekly pages are very minimal and more space to write, which I appreciate. Let's see what else is there. The artwork is also, of course, I forgot one thing. The theme of this planner is joy. And as you can see, jumping on leaves, the artwork represents that. Home cooked meals, a letter from you to you. Okay. This is something I think all the Alicia Souza planners have had in the past as well. The planner has a front pocket and a back pocket, but the back pocket is so pretty. If you can see, such nice artwork. This is very good. The sticker book actually fits into the back pocket. I think that's it. Let's move on to the pocket planner and then the sticker book. The pocket planner has this nice little artwork. This is the first page of the pocket planner, and then there are notes pages. Then there is a monthly artwork, and obviously the monthly spreads. The pocket planner also has a small back pocket, which is really great. I mean, so thoughtful. Let's go to my favorite part, which is the sticker book. Of course, who doesn't love stickers? Let's see what is in the sticker book. I see not many pages have revealed, but there are obviously some functional stickers. This is again body positivity stickers, which is great. So, but they have not really disclosed a lot of stickers. But it has over 200 stickers, which is again great. Let's get into some more details. Let's see what we have missed. This planner is 21 by 17 centimeters, which is a little, I think it is more or less an A5 size, a little wider. I think A5 is 21 by 14, so this is slightly wider. 292 pages, which is fairly big. Then you have 270 GSM paper, which I think is looks wrong, but that's okay. Acid-free paper, FSC certified paper, and some spreads that I think may have not been shown are the budget spreads. And there's a bookmark too. I'm not sure if there is a bookmark, but I think they're calling the ribbon the bookmark. I'm fine with that also. But here in the description, it's written that there is a bookmark. Great. Let's see what's there in the sticker book. The sticker book has 3 sheets of glitter stickers and 2 crowdsourced stickers, which people on Instagram have chosen. I think there should be more pages, but I'm sure these are the only ones they want to mention. Oh, the pocket planner does not have monthly illustration. It just has quarterly illustrations. And even the note pages are quarterly. Perfect. With all of this, you will get the big box of freebies. And here is the sneak peek. I'm going to take a guess. Let's see in this snippet video. I see definitely a pouch, uh, a few diaries, wrapping papers. I also would like to say I see bookmarks and whatnot. So the colors look really promising. I like the vibe. So I'm excited for what comes into the big box of freebies. Now let's get into what are the bundles available. We already have went through the ultimate trio, which is originally priced at 3,999 and is available at 3,599 with 4,000 plus worth of freebies. Then there is the ultimate planner, uh, the pocket planner and the sticker book, which is priced at 2,399, and in the launch offer you'll get it for 2,199, and you will obviously get equal amount of freebies in the launch period. Then there is the desk calendar at 1,199, which is now available at 999, and the cozy wall calendar at 899, which is in the launch period 799. Also, one other thing that I noticed, that if you're buying multiples, not just one, the prices keep on getting better. So as you saw here, it is 23599. If you buy two, you will increase your savings by a great margin. So when you're buying one, you're saving 400 bucks. When you're buying two, you're saving almost 1159 rupees. So if you buy multiples of these, this will be cheaper, which is again a great thing. So if you want to use this as uh, gifting option, this is also a great gifting option. Now finally, my comments. Alicia Souza has outdone herself. The amount of thought process that has gone into making this planner is commendable. This is coming from a person that did not like the aesthetics for the last 3 years. She has definitely upped her game. On the same end, she's kept her brand quirky and alive, which I have no clue how that was even possible. but it has happened. Do I think it is pricey? Maybe, but I feel it's worth it, as the artist should be given due credit of the hard work that she's done. Any brand owner could sit back and relax after getting so much popularity. But Alicia did not just sit back and relax. She upped her game and proved why Alicia Souza planners are leaders in India. I should probably stop raving at this point. I promise this is not a sponsored video. Also, if you have your heart on this planner, I would suggest you buy it before the 14th of November to get better discounts and deals. You already know my decision. I have already bought this planner. Since I'm recording this video the second time around, I have already placed in my order, and this will be my first planner for 2022. I will still continue the search for my second planner. As you guys already know, I'm a multiple planner user. I will show my planner setup soon to give you the context of how do I plan and why do I use multiple planners. But keep your suggestion pouring for my second planner. Okay, I think that is it for this video from me. Bye bye now.